lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
Hello everybody, thank you so much for watching today's video. I am Cheyenne, for those who don't know me, and this is our very first YouTube video ever. So I'm hoping a year from now I look back on this and cringe, just because our videos get better, hopefully. So today's video is clean and decorate for fall with me. I hope this gives you lots of motivation, inspiration, and maybe helps you tackle that final corner in your house that you can't seem to get right with your decorations. Also at the end of this video, we have a simmer pot recipe to make your house smell beautiful without the smoke and flame of the candle. Please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like and share with all of your friends and family who are also getting ready to decorate for fall. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get into it.
Okay, first things first is we have to get in the spooky fall mood. Of course, nothing better than Halloween Town. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite fall Halloween movie that just gets you all in the mood? We're going to start today's decorating with our coffee bar. So first things first is to wipe down the counters and the cabinets. We have a dog, and I cannot even tell you guys how many times I wipe this stuff down. It is always so dirty. It drives me insane. But Miss Myers helps our home smell so good and so clean. Today I'm using the apple cider scent, and it is hands down my favorite scent of the entire year. It is so good and smells so nice. Let's talk tiered trays for a sec. I bought this one a couple years ago at TJ Maxx when they were first getting really popular, and I wanted them with multiple cherries, but I couldn't find one. So this is one I ended up with, and I am so thankful because I'm not kidding, I could spend an entire day just working on a tiered tray. I am so indecisive with that thing, and I feel like I'm never extremely happy with how it comes out. Maybe I need to try more tiers, but gosh, anybody else just struggle with the tiered trays? The little fairy lights definitely did make it a little bit more cozy and cute and a little bit more to my taste. So I do think I like how it turned out eventually, and at night those lights look so pretty all lit up by themselves. And if you have that last spot in your kitchen where you can't find the perfect piece, try opening up one of your favorite cookbooks to a seasonal recipe. It just kind of warms up the whole kitchen, and it's super adorable and kind of unique and fresh. Next thing is the kitchen towels. Okay, please don't judge me, but I am totally that wife that yells at my husband if he touches my kitchen towels. The towels on the stove are not to be used. They're strictly for decoration, and no matter how many times I tell him, I still come into a mess quite often. He's getting better though, I must say, so it'll do. But I found this little set of 4, which was perfect for our double ovens, and I just kind of pre-fold them before I put them on there, and I feel like they stay a little bit better when they're folded on nicely rather than just thrown over the handles.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is.
Some of my favorite decor is the kitchen decor. Since moving into this home, I'm really trying to be more of a minimalist in that area, just so we have more room for cooking, a lot less clutter going on, and of course, the candles. I'm obsessed with candles, and this one right here is actually from someone in our neighborhood. It smells so good. This one is Blueberry Muffin. Beats Bath & Body Works candles so much. I'm addicted.
All I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends.
Lobby. It's kind of just like a little farmhouse canister. I don't even think it was in the fall section, but I thought it would look cute. And then I found Hobby Lobby has really big stems of just like leaves, which you can get at the dollar store, but I feel like, I think this cost me like $7.99 and it was like triple the size of the dollar store one, maybe even more. So I feel like I just got a lot more leaves than, and I like the colors a little bit better. But what I did is I just cut a bunch of it up, and you will see later in the video, I used the rest of this for another section in the house. But what I did is just cut them up in all different sizes, and I just kind of stuck them in. It has this little like wire top here that kind of holds them all in, and you could really use, I mean, any kind of vase that you wanted. I just got this one this year. I used a different kind last year, and it was just a regular vase. But I use this for my sink area because I think it's just a super cute little touch of color. And I always change it out with the season, but I thought this was a cute little fall touch. And just finish this up here.
And then to finish off the kitchen, we're going to light our favorite blueberry muffin candle to set the rest of the mood and have our house smelling very nice.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Okay, so these little pillows here, they're actually pillow covers. And don't laugh at me, I totally didn't even know that this type of thing existed until like beginning of this year. And no joke, I've been buying new pillows every single time for every season and holiday, but I found these off Amazon, and then this one just came from Home Goods, and it kind of ties in with some of the blue that we have like in our carpet and stuff, which I thought was super, super cute. And they had these in tons of colors. I just thought they were really fun. Not gonna lie, pain to put on my pillows, but super, super cute ones, and they're really, really soft and comfy too, so would totally recommend them. This was another piece that I struggled with a lot this year when decorating our front room coffee table, and mostly is because I have to wipe it down every single day because of our dog. So much dog hair everywhere, so that's what I'm doing now before I go ahead and get started. So I got this really cute lace table runner from Hobby Lobby and just folded it in half. And then I found this galvanized bread bowl from Hobby Lobby as well. Everything in this video is from Hobby Lobby. I made my own little cute arrangement, and then that pumpkin actually lights up. That's from Pier 1. I got it a really long time ago though, so it no longer lights up unfortunately, but it looks super cute at the bottom of this table for a little extra detail and touch. Now for my most favorite spot in the house to decorate, our mantle. I've never had a mantle before moving into this house in December, so getting to do that for this fall has been so exciting, and I feel like it's something I've been planning since, I don't even know, since we moved in practically. So I've had stuff stocked up, and everything from this video is from Hobby Lobby except for the candle holders, and I think that might be it. Everything else I think is from Hobby Lobby. So I also got it all this year, so it should all still be available in your stores if you see something that you like. It's super fun to play around with this. I try to get as creative as possible. It's a process for sure. Pinterest helps, and I'm hoping that I can help you decorate your mantle this year and give you a few ideas. Okay, I just have to add this in here. As I'm editing this, I'm listening, and Hazel's taking a nap right now, and I still have on Bluey on the Disney Channel as I'm decorating. So, you know you're a mom, Lynn.
Give me all your love, give me all your love.
Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are.
And the finished look, always my favorite, is to see before and after videos. So doing these videos has been super fun for me to get to see the process that it took to make it look this way. I'm super excited with how this turned out, and I think all the hassle was definitely worth it. Next little section is our entryway, and as I was decorating it, I realized I forgot to hit record on the camera. So here we are with the finishing look of all of this. I love how it turned out. We are huge Disney fans, so I love the Mickey and Minnie little scarecrows that I found last year at Hobby Lobby. I tried to add a little bit of height to that pumpkin by adding a mini cake stand, and I just love how it turned out. Super cute, very traditional fall if you can't tell. I love all the really bright, vibrant oranges and greens, and I just love how this little space turned out.
It's all for you, I did it all for you. It's all for you, it's all for you.
Next is our table decor, and I definitely wanted something more on the classy route, so I added a lot of rose gold and sparkly components, which a lot of this stuff came from Hobby Lobby, At Home, or Amazon actually, so I will leave that in the description below for you.
When it is freezing, I will keep you warm.
You'll have to let me know in the comments if you do a little tablescape, is what I call it. My husband makes fun of me. But you'll have to let us know what you did for that this year. I'm super excited to see all of your ideas and get some new inspiration for next year's ideas.
It's all for you, it's all for you. I did it all.
Also, yes, those are little candle holders that I just put down there that are candleless. After all of this was done and complete, I realized that I never ordered the candlesticks to go in them. So, being completely honest, the scatterbrain that I am, they'll probably never have candles in them, and we'll go on for years with this tablescape, and they still probably won't have candles. So, when you see my candleless candlesticks, don't judge. One of the things I get most excited for is simmer pot recipes, and I've actually never tried one before, so we're going to take a shot at it together. The one in this recipe, I just used some apples, some rosemary, vanilla, and cinnamon sticks. It's literally all that I had on hand, so I just threw it all into a pot and simmered it, and oh my goodness, my house smelled so stinking good. I highly recommend. I also did not measure at all. I just threw everything in there until it looked about good and stirred it all up and just let it sit. In about 5 minutes, I could start smelling it from another room. So absolutely incredible. Give it a shot.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.
And that concludes our first ever YouTube video. I am so excited you all are here with me, and I hope that this video brought you a little inspiration to decorate your home for fall. Let us know if you use any of these ideas in your own home, and I'm so happy that you're here, and we'll see y'all next Monday at 10 a.m. Bye!
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do?